Okay, so 3 boxes just arrived from Fujifilm, and it's supposed to contain a 50mm f1.0, the new 33mm, and a couple of Instax Evos. So now I'm too excited to do a proper unboxing, and I don't care. So this is how you do an unboxing from a province in a third world country. Yeah. It's one. Yeah. Oh yeah. And one more. Look! Wife, look! 33 1.4, 50 f1.0, new Instax Mini Evo. Let's do this first. 50 f1.0. So I can't do much. This is just an unboxing because I have to deliver this to the owners. Warranty card, pouch, user manual in several languages. Big chunky lens. Lens hood, round, not metal. It's a big boy. 50 f1.0. Aperture ring goes from 1.0 all the way to automatic. Front element, it has a 77mm filter thread. For context, the 1655 f2.8 from Fuji also has a 77mm front filter thread. Lens is weather sealed, you can see from the rubber gasket here, and it's heavy. Let me get a camera. Now let's mount it on this camera, Fuji X-T4. Let's see how it looks. Red. This is so unbalanced. It's very front heavy. Reminds me of the Canon 85 1.2. And so this is how it looks on an X-T4. Really, I'm not kidding. It's really front heavy, guys. There. I'm like about 24-25 inches from that thing, and it's focusing, and everything there is blown out. Okay, so this is the lens hood, round plastic lens hood. And that's how it looks with the lens hood. Maybe it looks way better on something that has a battery grip. Right, now it's time for the Fujinon 33mm f1.4 R LMWR. I don't know what the LM stands for. R stands for the aperture ring, WR is for the weather sealing. I don't know what the other is. Linear motor. Maybe. I don't know. Don't quote me. Okay, small lens. Warranty card, pouch, user manual in different languages. Tiny, very similar to the Fuji 18-55 when it's all the way retracted. Aperture ring. Wow. Aperture ring has a lock. So when you're at 1.4, you can freely move it all the way to 16, but when you want to move it from F16 to automatic, you have to press the lock, turn it, and when you want to take it out of automatic, you have to press the lock again, then you're good to go. f1.0 doesn't have a lock. I don't know why. Maybe they could have added it, but I'm just a user. What do I know? Front filter thread is 58. Again, weather sealed because of the gasket you can see. And whoa, it's made in the Philippines. Cool. More lenses now. More lenses now made in the Philippines. How about this? Big boys made in Japan, of course. There you go. Take a test shot. Focus is fast. Focusing distance is cool. Close. Man, the focusing distance on these new lenses, man. About, give or take, 12 inches from the subject. You can focus. Is it because it's dark? I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to shoot at that dark thing over there, but sometimes focus hunts a bit. But it's fast. Anyway, forgot to check the autofocus speed on this f1.0. It's a bit slow. Significantly slower than the 30. But it is accurate. When there's enough light, it's fast. Forgot to mention the 33 1.4 comes also with a plastic round lens hood. That's how it looks. Nice. Now it's time for the Mini Evo. Oh shit. Does it come in several colors? No. So this is the Mini Evo, color black. You can see why I'm shocked. It's not black. Ignorant. So in the box, you have the camera. Okay. You have a USB cable. And the USB cable is, my god, Fuji. What the hell? It's micro USB 2022 Fujifilm micro USB. Camera strap, user manual, warranty card, and the camera itself. Pretty. Look, even this thing, does this flash work? It's an LED bulb, but it has like those old camera like grill thing. Okay, so in the front you have a ring, an adjustable ring, flash. I don't know what this is. I think this is a shutter for when you take selfies. You have your power button here. Oh, it's charged. Okay, English. Okay, let's like set it later. Has autofocus. The shutter button is kind of shallow. So when you try to focus and it's dark, LED bulb is going to help you focus. Significantly faster than the previous Instax cameras. So this knob adjusts the effects. This is for, does this have a memory card included? There's a flap down here. It's a bit difficult to get open. Okay, so under the flap you have your micro USB charging port, your micro SD port for your memory card. Seems like there's a reset button here. What do I do? What happened? I pressed it, it turned off. Okay, turned back on. Yeah, it reset the camera. Yes, it is a reset button. So this is where you hook up the strap. Skip that. This is a tripod socket. I hope it lasts. This is a cold shoe up here for your LED lights or whatever. This is where the film comes out. It still is kind of a digital analog camera. So the back opens up. Can you open it when it's on? Okay. It's a bit difficult. Oh yeah, there you go. It's a bit difficult to get open. So there. Battery, as far as I can tell, is non-user replaceable, but I don't care. It's pretty. This thing is for printing your photos. Damn. Pretty. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.